Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, April 7th. This is David. Let's dig into the S&P 500. Look, we covered this on Friday, and while we ended very little change from Friday, ended just a hair above this 50-55 Voodoo Voodoo snow line, closing a little bit further above it here on Friday. But between then and now, we saw a big move get down close to, but not all the way to, this 47.87 tree line, and then rebounding, spiking just a little bit above this 52.22 tree line before coming back down and settling somewhere in the middle. Now remember, these tree lines are the second most important of the Voodoo line levels. These fire lines, which there's only one of anywhere in the immediate region up here at 59.25, those are the most important levels. The next fire line down is down at 40.83 off the chart. So, look, weakening below that fire line sets up a possible roadmap down towards that 40.83 level, but only if we can navigate down below both of these tree lines. Now, for the moment, testing this upper tree line from below and holding it and coming back down is a modest negative, but only if we can keep navigating below these 50-55 and then 49.53 snow lines. If we can, then it sets up the potential for a more deliberate test of this 47.87 tree line, and breaking it, so long as we stay below, leaves things on track, perhaps down to 40.83. Now, 40.83 on a short-term basis seems a little too low to me. But if we stay below, that's where we would focus. Meanwhile, coming below and then regaining 47.87 puts that on hold. Similarly, and this is something we talked about here on Friday, but I want to reiterate here today, right? Not just spiking 52.22, but if we can get above, so long as we stay above, I think that bodes well for a continued move up. So I don't want to be too twitchy around the line, but if it looks like we're holding, then I'll use swing lows that are north of 52.22 as my stop in an attempt to get long. Otherwise, for the time being, I'm looking at least a little bit lower. I don't think we're going all the way to 40.83, certainly not immediately. And so coming back above 47.87 afterwards, after any excursion below, I think would also be an early warning of a move back up. That's what we can read into the Voodoo lines, at least right now. If we do head lower, we'll try and update that. We'll try and put a little more color and nuance around this in the premium video, and I will be back with you again next Monday. Until then, as always, good trading. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.